So also using the 9120, we could replicate some other seams as well, right? So we're going to talk about a T2 nozzle, which is our wider nozzle, where most vehicles today actually have that wider look on their seams. So same product, take out the nozzle, right? And this nozzle has two different looks, right? One side, it has, just for purely aesthetics, it's a little blip over the top, so a lot of the Hondas, Ford F-150s will have those, and then it's flat on the other side. So I'll show you how that look looks like. Right, having my pressure high, same thing. Let's say I want to put a seam straight through. Wider seam look. Right, if I want a little bit more of a build, I go 90 to a 45-degree angle, a little bit thicker. Right, same nozzle. If I flip it, just the look I was explaining. I groove right over the top. Purely for aesthetics, you'll just see a nice line right over the top. And this is for today's vehicles that actually have that look, and you want to replicate that look. Okay, and the last look we're going to look for, we call this, some areas, the stack of dimes. Moving back your gun every second or two, right? So 9120 gives you all these multiple different looks you can get with the actual two nozzles. And like I said, you can touch it within 30 minutes. You can paint it within 2 to 3 minutes.